Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. In my last video I have shown you how to make a projector and I have tested it with a basic lamp, but the screen part was partly completed but the lamp part is not completed. I have tested it with the help of a normal 12 watt LED lamp, but in this video I will show you how to make the lamp part because it plays the most important role in a projector. More and more powerful the lamp and the lamp part, then you will get a very bright and clear image. So to make a lamp part you must require the three most important material. One is the lens, second is the LED. You may use 30 to 50 watt LED chip, and the heat sinker, because the LED chip will get a very high temperatures. To reduce the temperature you must use heat sink, because without that it will burn the chip. So in this video I will complete the lamp part and show you. So let's see how I can build and what are the material required in a lamp part. I will use this lens to make the lamp part. So this is basically a screen enlarger, and I will fix the LED at the bottom of the screen and it will magnify the LED power and make the beam parallel. So let's see the lens. So friends, here is the screen expander in which I will install the LED chip. So you can see it here. The frame is installed here, and on which I will install the heat sink. So the LED chip will be there in between the heat sink and the expander. So after installation it will look like this. So you must install a heat sink to cool down 50 watt LED chip. So now I will make the connection. Friends, the light part is almost ready. You can see it here. For testing I have installed just 2 watt LED, but later it will be replaced by 50 watt LED. So for testing I have just installed 2 watt LED. You can see it here. I have completed the light part. So at present I have put off the light. So let's see the focus. So this is the power of only 2 watt LED. So imagine what will be the power at 50 watt. So I think all of you have liked this video. Please subscribe S&D Innovations to get more updates. In my next video I will complete the projector.